On another note, I can't wait to see Dream Island.
Well, Leafy, I don't think I can let you in.
What?
Get ready to die, enemy! No!
Stop.
Let's play a game.
I love games!
Oh, don't you want me to win the game?
No, I don't. Contestant safe is fiery.
Ah!
Money.
Ah!
Power.
Ah!
Taco.
Ah!
Loser.
Ah!
It's down to Blocky and Spongy, the two original returners. I support you, Blocky.
I would support you, Spongy, but I don't see you wearing any friendship pride.
Which contestant is safe? The last prize goes to good old Blocky.
Oh, yeah.
I'm back with a spoonful of water I found! It was on top of an ancient yellowface skeleton hiding in the shade! Here you go, funny plant!
Wait, Cake, no!
Huh? Price tag, what's wrong?
Cake, don't you know? Any water that touches a yellowface skeleton is...
What?
Look, thank you for finding it, one. It's gonna benefit us all. But if you can't calm down, maybe it's best you just go hang out somewhere else for a while.
Who's to say I don't find another cool thing? And you ruined that too. Huh?
Are you okay? Just get out of here! One, you get out of here!
You gotta stop.
She might get hurt! Three! No! Cut it out! What are you doing?
I'm out of here!
This is like, Carrie, do not say SYBAU. I know what that means too. Shut your butt ass.